What's up, strangers? Today's episode is going to be talking about a long-lost art form, the art of knots. Now, sadly, it seems like today most people have forgotten something that we used to use in our daily lives, something that was very important and you needed to know for survival reasons. Well, I'm doing a new weekly series in hopes of changing that, where I teach you a few useful knots, other than how to tie your shoe. So come on, let's get knotty. Get it? Because it's knots. Today we're going to go over a extremely easy and extremely useful knot. The bowline. This is a knot that a lot of people know, actually, because it's very simple to learn, because there's like a little story that goes along with it, which some people find easier to learn. So let's check it out. And I'm going to show you how to do it on this beautiful leaning tree. Sorry for the noise, guys. We got some little swimmy dogs. That was nasty. Let's do it. Alright, guys. So we're going to pretend this tree is our anchor point. Let's say we're building a rope swing for the kids over a creek. This is going to be an excellent knot for that because it's very, very strong. It'll hold a lot of weight. That's why it's also good for hauling things. So the first thing we're going to do, I have about 4 foot of rope here, something like that. It just varies on the size of the diameter of whatever you're anchoring it to. And we're going to create what's called a bight. And what I mean by a bight is you simply just make a loop in the rope like this. So we're going to make a bight, and we're going to hold it like this to where this loop is coming over the top, and then you have this straight line. And then we're going to take our working end, which is this very end, and we're going to go all the way around our anchor point, like this. Now here is where the story element comes in I told you about. So remember, this needs to be going over this rope. So your working end crosses the actual load-bearing part. Now we're going to say the working end is a rabbit, and this is his hole, and here's a tree. We're going to say that the rabbit comes out of the hole, he runs around the tree, and then he gets scared and runs back in his hole. So I'll hold it like this real quick so you can see what's happening. You can see there's 2 parallel ropes that go underneath the tree. Now what we're going to do is dress the knot. Your knot's done, other than tightening and dressing it. And simply to tighten it, we're just going to pull the part that we called the tree down and try to straighten it out. And as you can see, there's the knot right there. And one of the good things about the bowline is that you can put a lot of weight on it. I just put all my weight on it, and it's still super easy to take off. Some knots will bind up and you can't get them out, but that was super easy to undo. I'm going to show you guys again. So we created our bight with the bight going over the load-bearing line. Then we take our end, come out of the hole, go underneath this line right here, which is our tree, and go back in the hole, and then just dress it up. Now you want to always dress up your knot, that way you can inspect it and make sure it's good. And then pull it tight, and you're good to go. Alright guys, that was my our first knot video. There will be more to come. I plan on posting 1 a week. And thank you guys for watching.